Now let's start our next time. The spell of maths will be M-A-T-H-S. Maths. Now let's start oral. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. Again, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13. Now let's start our recognition. Read the spell of recognition with me. R-E-C-O-G-N-I-T-I-O-N. Recognition. Okay, do you know which number is this? Yes, number 2. 6. Which number is this? 8. 5. 4. Do you know which number is this? Yes, this is 1, 0, 10. 3. Now let's start shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S. Shapes. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Which shape is this? Circle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. Circle. Triangle. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. Which shape is this? Square. Circle. Triangle. Square. Now let's start shape song. Square and circle. Square and circle. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle and oval. Rectangle and oval. Heart and star. Heart and star. Now come towards writing. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Writing. And today we will write a new letter. 1, 0, 10. Which number is this? 1, 0, 10. Okay, you will keep your pencil on the first dot and one by one you will join all the dots like this. You will put your pencil on the first dot and come down, down, down and stop. Now which number is this? 1. Now we will write 0. Firstly, you will keep your pencil on the first dot and you will join one by one all the dots like a circle. 1, 0, 10. Now it makes 0. 1, 0, 10. And if you will skip and dot like this, then it will be wrong. Do you know what is this? These are hats. You will color in hats. Now open your book. Take out page number 29.